Look at this.
Wow.
We're in snow right now. Hi. This is the snow. I have to record back here. Look, that phone.
Hi, are you doing snowman?
Yeah, but it didn't really work that well.
Huh?
It didn't work that well, but I did.
I know, I went outside and tried to do snowman. I couldn't do it because it was too soft.
I wish I did a little bit.
Aw. No, it doesn't stop it.
Go to the balcony.
There's so much over here.
I'm missing
I
out?
called you. You didn't freaking pick up. We was outside.
Well, I called the group text and nobody
Dang it.
You darn phone.
This new update is freaking annoying.
That pod had 5 upgrades during the 10 years ago. Look at his shoes.
Thank you.
Alright guys, goodbye.